Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. After spending all that time dreaming of the bridal beauty vision, hiring a glam team, and doing a makeup trial, the big day will finally arrive. While you might have a clear idea of what you want to look like and how the getting ready process will go, there are still some factors at play that can put a dampener in your wedding makeup plans. From improper skin prep to improperly organizing the schedule, makeup artists routinely see brides make mistakes that can affect their beauty goals. Ahead, we asked seasoned wedding industry pros to share this faux pas and how brides can avoid them to absolutely look and feel their best on their big day. Changing your routine. While many brides give their skincare routine a refresh before walking down the aisle, makeup artists advise doing well ahead of your nuptials in case your skin reacts badly. Any skin routine changes should be made at least 6 months prior, so the skin can get acclimated to the change. Avoid getting treatments on the days before events begin. This can be disastrous. Avoid removing facial hair too close to the big day. Receiving a harsh facial, getting your brows or upper lips waxed in the few days ahead of the big day is a major mistake. Sometimes, it leaves the skin red and irritated and hard to cover with makeup as it's still too fresh. This should be done at least 3 days prior to giving your skin a chance to recover. Not drinking enough water. Hydration is key to prepping the skin for the wedding day makeup application. However, makeup artists note that some brides aren't on top of drinking enough water the evening before. If brides are drinking a lot of alcohol at the rehearsal dinner, it totally dries their skin out, which can make the makeup artist's job more challenging when trying to create a dewy skin-like finish. Make sure to drink a glass of water in between wine and cocktails. Adding bridal party members to the schedule last minute. While it is totally fine to let the bridal party opt out of professional makeup to save money, pros note that often people change their minds last minute. However, the makeup timeline was created and finalized prior to the day, so adding on additional people at the last minute can cause the bridal party to not be ready in time for photos. Getting your makeup done too late. As putting together the morning schedule for the bride and the bridal party, make sure to give the proper time to have the makeup artists execute the vision. Brides would not insist on being last in the makeup schedule so their makeup is the freshest. It tends to lead to rushing to meet the scheduled needs and could cause unwanted stress. Not getting touch-ups. To have the beautiful look stay perfect all day long. Brides factor touch-ups from their makeup artist into their wedding budgets. Shedding a few tears at the ceremony and time spent outdoors can slowly melt away that beautiful look that had at the start of the day. Sometimes the brides could have really used the touch-ups in pictures that are received later.